Okay, so in this example video, I'm going to show you how Orchestra gathers additional error messages and metadata compared to other workflow orchestration tools. So if you're running a task in Airflow, you'll typically only get one error message. This could range from being helpful, being, perhaps the message you get from an API response, to being something completely internal and unhelpful, like, the Airflow task state failed. When you run tasks in Orchestra, we basically get everything. So, we're looking at this end-to-end data product pipeline, and we can see that this fivetran task has succeeded, which is great, but this airbyte database replication task has failed. So the message you see on a node is designed to be helpful, and it's something which we map ourselves. We can see here it says failed to start airbyte cloud job forbidden. But if we click into view details, we get a lot more info. So the platform message is basically exactly verbatim what we get back from the underlying platform. So in this case, even though we've got a 403 forbidden, presumably because our API key is wrong or it's expired, Airbyte, we can see, have actually sent us a message that implies it's their problem. It's not. We can tell it's not, but they should probably change this. Generally, we just try to provide as much information as possible. So, we'll also include any HTTP status codes in their messages here. We'll try to include a helpful message, which we pass ourselves. We'll, of course, include the raw message. And in more complicated use cases, there'll also be other things like task parameters, which are things you need to start the tasks, in this case, connection ID, but also run parameters. So, often when you start a task in the underlying platform, there'll be at least a run ID. We endeavor to basically capture as much information like this as we can, so that if stuff breaks, you have all of the metadata you need to work out exactly what's going wrong.